Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Hey. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a beautiful morning. As you can see, my son is here. The sun is here. And this is my cucumber and peas trellis. And she's all ready, y'all. Put some Kellogg's, some Black Cow, and amendments. She ready for me to drop those seeds. Yes. Hey guys, so I hope you all are having a beautiful, beautiful morning. As you can see, I got the sun back. I got the sun back. I got the sun back. The sun is here. And she's shining on me this morning. Yes. But I wanted to just share with you all what I'm doing today. Just what I'm doing today, okay? So listen, guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you a haul from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. But there's mainly just one specific product I want you to check out, okay? Also, I have a mail call from my nephew Turf. Yes, I got a mail call. And let's see, what else we're gonna do? Well, I'm gonna show you some things I did with my little seedlings that I had in the greenhouse. You heard what I said? I had in the greenhouse. But anyway, guys, but first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Yes, I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yeah. All right, baby. Here they are. And they all outside. They outside, y'all. All of them. Now, I brought them outside yesterday. Yep, they stayed out here all night. Everybody stayed out. So, hey, they doing good. They doing good. Here is my purple bok choy. I'm going to put them in a large pot that I have. I'm gonna put them in there. Yep. This is some rhubarb. I got a spot for them. Yes. So let me show you. There's more. My youngest grandson dropped some morning glory seeds. You can see them. They're all coming up. Yep. So I just brought them all outside. Yep. But anyway, that's what I done with that. Yeah. Now, what my next task? Yeah, I'm sitting up here with the I got a hoodie on. It's still a little chilly, but you know, it's not unbearable. But anyway, I need to clean around this tree here. I'm gonna clean around this tree. I'm sorry. I'm gonna clean around this tree. I'm gonna plant some Mexican sunflowers in here, and my candlestick plants are gonna go in here. All around here, I'm gonna plant flowers. Gladiolas, ranunculus. I'm gonna share with you all my bud flowers. I'm gonna plant them all around this tree. And but I need to clean this up first. And that is my next task. I gotta go get some breakfast. I need some more energy. Oh, another thing I'm gonna do, and I'll probably hit this, is just clean out this bed here. I'm not sure what I want to plant here. I was even thinking about planting my purple bok choy over here, but we'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. So decided I was going to clean this little bed here today. So I'm going to clean this little bed here today. So this is the bed. I don't know what's wrong with that dude in this car. But I have my it's a peach tree. Yeah, my peach tree is right there. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this bed here. Let me get my little tiller here and just disturb this stuff, loosen it up a little bit. All right, guys, so this bed is all clean. Yeah. So I use my hand tiller, which is cool. I love that thing. Yeah. But I purchased that from Home Depot. Yeah, Home Depot, I think. Jody purchased from Home Depot. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, it's all done, all clean. And what I have over here growing is some morning glories. Where are they? So that's a morning glory. That is one. Oh, there's another one over here. You can barely see her, but that's her. So I just decided to let her grow. And this is just old vining from morning glories. She had a lot of seeds on her. Let's see here. You see there's a lot of seeds. She have a lot of seeds on her. So I just kind of crushed the seeds and like open up the seed pod and, you know, just let the seeds fall back in here. Yep. And that's what we done. Yep. So the next task is, oh boy, it's this bad boy. Yeah, I gotta do it. I'm gonna break it off into 3 parts. Yeah, to kind of help me out a little bit. So I'm gonna do 3 parts and just do 1 part at a time. Yeah, so anyway, guys, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me share with you my haul and my mail call. This is my Dollar Tree haul. So every month I go over there to Dollar Tree and I purchase these containers. Now they come in all different colors, shapes, and sizes. Now this one is just 1, but then you have some that is 3 for $1, and they have some that's 2 for $1. I usually buy about 20 of them each month. Yeah. And no, I don't accumulate a lot of them because I use them only once or twice and then I discard them. I bought about 20 packs of these different sizes of Tupperware for my meals. I purchased some Kleenex, Puffs, yeah. I purchased 2 bags of starting potting mix. I like this mix. And I purchased this for when I'm out here in my garden. That you get 2 of these in a pack. And they're really cool for all my lemonade teas and on and on and on. I purchased about 4 of these little pots. I like them. I'm gonna line them up. We're gonna drop some seeds in them. Yeah. So I also purchased 5 of these little trellis. I'll use them somewhere in the garden at some time, I'm more than sure. And I bought 10 of these little fencings here. And there's one there. I'm gonna put the other ones up after I drop my seeds. Yeah, after I drop my seeds, I'll put them all up. But that's the little fencings I bought, and I bought 10 of them. Yeah, I have some from last season, but really they only last a season. I have a couple of them that's still pretty good from last season, but yeah. But anyway, that's what I did. So these ropes, I have a lot of bamboo sticks all over this garden. So instead of having them, laying down somewhere, I am going to hang them up, and I'm going to use these ropes to do it. I'm going to share with you all when I do it so you can see how I'm going to hang up all my bamboo sticks so they don't be laying around the garden, because I haven't fell, but I've tripped over many of them, right? So this is just another rope I purchased. This is a little tray. They got all different colors. Here, I'll show you right. So I'm here at Dollar Tree, and I see all of these cute little baskets, and this is the way they look. You have the longer ones, and here they are. They are white. There's white ones. There's pink, all shapes. There is this green. These different shapes on them too. Really cute. There is gray and blue. It's really cute. I love those baskets too. And so I purchased two, and then Jody saw my two, and she said she needed one. I mean, she need that thing, right? Yeah. So I gave it to him. But this is what I wanted to share with you all the most from Dollar Tree. Now, I purchase these every year, and I think I bought about 10 of them the other day when I went to the store. So these are tarps, and what I use these for, I use them for a lot in my garden. Mostly I use them for mixing up my soils, my compost and black cows and amendments. I spread this out and I put it on there like that. And they are just the coolest things to have in your garden, because you don't have to pick up a lot of stuff. You could just put it on here and drag it, or it could be used for so many things, right? And I purchased these from Dollar Tree. Now, this is where you can find it in the Dollar Tree, right here. So this is another thing I use from the Dollar Tree. It's these tarps here. You'll find them all over my garden. I use them to spread them out and combine compost and all this other good stuff together. And yep, this is where they are. All right, let's get to this mail call, y'all. So this is my mail call from my nephew, Turf Therapy. Yep. So he sent me some dahlias. That's what they are. So I have some reds, red and purple, more red and purple, some yellows. Oh my goodness, he sent me so many yellows. And I'm going to plant them all around the tree. Yeah. And when I drop these bulbs, I will bring you guys along with me so you all can see just how I do it, along with the gladiolas and all the other bulb flowers that I have. Now, at one time, if you've been with me, my gladiolas and everything was here. And, we did some changes. So now I'm going to put them around this main tree, this main stump of a tree. Yeah, so we're going to do that. Yeah, so that's my Dollar Tree haul and my mail call. There they are. So I have peas, yellow, white, and green cucumbers, peas, flowers. I got flowers, y'all. I got flowers. Yep. So Let's cover these babies up. I want to thank you all for hanging out with me today. I've had a wonderful day with you all. Here I have some beets growing, and I really want to eat it because they look so good, my goodness. But as you see here, yeah, that was lunch one day. But I'm thinking I'm going to take them all and have lunch with them today. They're going to be my lunch, yeah. Because some of them is trying to bolt, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna harvest them all and eat them. But I hope you all have a beautiful day. I hope all is well with you all. Yes, thank you all for hanging out with me. Thank you all for your sweet, sweet, kind words. Yeah, I appreciate it so very much. But anyway, guys, y'all have a great day. Later, y'all.